You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time in a lush green valley nestled between rolling hills, there lived two goats named Gaby and Gigi. They were not just ordinary goats, they were the best of friends. Their days were filled with laughter, play, and countless shared adventures. From sunrise to sunset, Gaby and Gigi were inseparable companions. One fine morning, as the sun painted the sky with shades of pink and orange, Gaby and Gigi woke up with excitement bubbling in their hearts. Today, they had a special plan: to venture up the hillside and discover new patches of the most delicious green grass. As they made their way up the hill, their hooves rhythmically crunched the earth beneath them. The air was crisp and filled with the scent of blooming wildflowers. The two friends chatted animatedly about the adventures that awaited them. However, their cheerful chatter was interrupted when they reached a narrow ledge that overlooked a deep chasm. On the other side, they could see patches of grass that looked even greener and more tempting. Gigi's eyes widened with wonder. "Oh, Gaby, look at that grass. It's so green and lush. I want to eat it." Gaby nodded in agreement. "I want to eat it too, Gigi. But how do we get across? There's no bridge here." Gigi's face fell, and a hint of disappointment flickered in her eyes. "You're right, Gaby. What do we do now?" Gaby gazed at the chasm thoughtfully. "Don't worry, my dear friend. I have an idea. Let's balance carefully on the sledge and walk across one at a time. I'll go first." Gigi's heart skipped a beat. "But Gaby, what if we fall? It's so high." Gaby smiled reassuringly. "I understand your fear, Gigi. But remember, we're strong and sure-footed goats. I promise to be right here, and once I'm safely across, I'll hold out my horns for you to grab. That way, you won't fall." With Gaby's words giving her courage, Gigi nodded. "Okay, Gaby. I trust you." Gaby took a deep breath and carefully stepped onto the narrow ledge. She held her head high and walked slowly, placing each hoof with precision. Her heart raced, but her determination kept her steady. Step by step, she made her way across the chasm, her eyes fixed on the lush grass on the other side. Finally, Gaby reached the safety of the other side. She turned around and saw Gigi still on the opposite ledge. "You're doing great, Gigi. You can do this." Gigi took a deep breath and summoned her courage. She started walking, imitating Gaby's deliberate steps. She focused on her friend's horns, which were now extended towards her like a lifeline. As Gigi moved forward, she felt a mixture of fear and exhilaration. The ledge seemed narrower with each step, but she held onto the image of reaching Gaby's side. Her heart beat loudly, but the sight of her friend's reassuring gaze gave her the strength she needed. With a final leap, Gigi landed on the other side of the chasm. Gaby enveloped her in a warm hug, and they both celebrated their successful journey. "You did it, Gigi. You crossed the chasm," Gaby exclaimed, her eyes shining with pride. Gigi beamed with happiness. "I couldn't have done it without you, Gaby. Your support made all the difference." From that moment on, Gaby and Gigi knew that their friendship was unbreakable. They had faced a challenge together and emerged stronger than ever. As they nibbled on the delicious green grass, they felt a sense of accomplishment that filled their hearts with joy. As time passed, Gaby and Gigi continued to explore the hills, valleys, and meadows together. They encountered many more obstacles, but they faced them with bravery and unity. Their bond grew deeper with every adventure, reminding them that true friendship meant being there for each other through thick and thin. And so, the two goats lived their days with laughter, love, and the unwavering knowledge that they had a friend who would always be by their side, a friend who would hold out her horns to help them cross any chasm, no matter how daunting.